Open a document in Affinity Photo and then go to the Layers panel, right click and go for Duplicate. Now I'm just going to duplicate a layer, and you can create multiple layers and different sizes. You can just resize them, and also if you want to, hold down the Alt or Option key and duplicate that way. So you can create 3 or 4, 10 different layers. I'm not going to create that many, but you can create, of course, as many as you like. With the layer selected, just go over here to Filters and go down to Distort and Rectangle to Polar. Now there's no functionality in terms of just warps the design. There's sort of no options pop up or anything. It just does it. Though it will take a little bit more time. If you make a very long design, so if you go for something like that, really stretch it, then sometimes it will take a lot of processing to do that. So again, just maybe rotate a design, then go to Filters. Again, you could use Repeat, perfectly reasonable, since there's no options, but you can go to, again, Distort and Rectangle to Polar. And you can apply it. And then you can see you've got another design there, another lovely curved design. It just creates all kinds of weird and wonderful distortions. And then I'm just going to go for this one as well. But you could do 20, 30 of them. And then go to Filters and Repeat again. And you can see again you've got that distortion, and you can do this again and again. And of course what you can also do, you can always hold down the Alt or Option key and duplicate that design as well to create other distortions. So you can repeat that and create another distortion there, and so on. So you can see you can build up very weird and wonderful warped designs. Now what you can also do is maybe go to File and New, and you can do exactly the same with maybe a gradient. So with this, just got this image here, go to Layer menu and New Layer, create a quick gradient, just any sort of gradient, and with that selected, you can just go over here again, it's a pixel layer, you can duplicate that. So just go to Layer and Duplicate, maybe resize it, and you can see then when you resize it, what you can do, just go to Filters, and again Distort, and down to Rectangle and Polar, and you can see you get this distortion. You again go to the other one again and go to Layer and Duplicate again, resize it, and of course you can create all kinds of distortions there. You can just maybe like that, and again go to Filters, Repeat, Rectangle, and so on, and you can create again more distortions, and you can build up a very complex design, warped shapes, and much more using this approach, using the Rectangular to Polar filter. Hope you found this of interest. Thank you much.